Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to search musics on the Magic Tools 3 application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. This will take a 5 minutes when the application is uploading. New, click to the Discover option next to the Battle Mode the section at the bottom of the screen, and here you can search different musics, artists, genres, and you can create playlists and more. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.